What's up everyone, welcome to ZealPlex, and in this video I'm going to be talking to you about how you can go and check the result of Lok Sabha Election 2019. So it is going to be on 23rd May 2019, which is today. So how you can go and check that one live. So there is an amazing website that is going to go and show you the live result on the time you have to go and check the result. You can go and refresh it again and again. So it is going to be result online, which party is getting how many votes and how many party is getting above, how the votings are ranking up and down. You just have to go and refresh it, because if the people just bombarded by coming online on and on, that website link might be broken. So you just have to open that in on a new tab and keep it open. Just don't close the tab, keep a tab open, refresh. If it is taking time, refresh, hold up for 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, refresh the page if it is not giving you the live information. So now they have given the link that is going to be provided to us, that how we can go and check that one. So there is one website which I came across and which is actually genuine, so I'm going to go and paste the URL link of that in my description. So this is the website. It is going to go and give you the live result. You have to go and click. Right now 4 hours are left, so after 4 hours it will start giving you the result. You just show that how does it look available after 4 hours. By the time you're watching this video, it is right now available, so you can go and directly go to the website and it will go and give you the result. They have also given the application for voter helpline for Android and iOS application, as you can see it right over here. Now in an Android application, you just have to go and type voters helpline. I am going to add this URL link of this application as well on my description. You can go and check out that how does this looks. So it has the general election of 2019 real time. It is going to go and show you that how it is going to be there. You just have to go and bookmark the candidate which you want to be see. It is going to be party wise. You can go and see the constitution result live. It will give you the candidate profile and all of the details of the candidate. You can go and find out the result and you can go and share it on your social media. So this is what the application is all about. Just go ahead and download this application, and that's about it. Just go and download that voters helpline. So that's about it for this video. I hope you find this video informative, and I'll see you guys next time.